you believe this shit? Now look how hard it's raining. Look at that. I don't know if that's coming up on the camera, but I'm sick of this rain already. And you know it's gonna last till tomorrow. We already have flash flood warnings. But now it's like a damn downpour. I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but it is a downpour. It is pouring. Don't know if you can see that. Look at all that water coming down. Look at that. It is pouring. Man, it's really raining today here in Pittsburgh. You can't do nothing outside. I'm filming on my GoPro 3 where it's not waterproof, but it was the charged up one. Maybe I should charge the waterproof cameras. This is part 2 of the rain we had today. I tried to put it in all one video, but it would have been hell too long. See, it slowed down raining, but all that water has to go somewhere. It slowed down. But look at that. I got a big puddle right there in the corner. That water has to go somewhere. We have some stray cats around here. I just saw a couple of them running for shelter, but I bet you they ducked in somewhere. You ever stand out in the rain? Then you gotta piss real bad because of all the rain. It's slowed down, but it is steady still coming down. It's not even a mist of rain. It's just coming down, but it slowed a hell of a lot down. Well, the rain picked up a little heavier again. It's off and on. A little heavy to little rain. Now we're stuck in just a heavy rain. Not like downpour, but it is enough to make you wet and miserable. Sing it with me. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. There goes my wife. She was smart. She took an umbrella to work. Bet you she's miserable about this rain.
Move on my way, I'm already fucking soaked.
Well, on that note, thanks for watching.